What up guys, we're back with another video. This time's a Tim Family Guy custom. First, let's clean the Timbs and then let's prep them by lacing the laces. This time we don't have to do anything to material because it is suede. Next we're going to cut out all our stencils and for measurements and sizes. Once we do that, we're going to layer and tape it down on the shoe and we're going to outline it. This time we need to put down a white base because the Timbs are a brownish color. After we did that, I actually did some stencil work for the Family Guy logo because of the detail. So let's cut that and then paste it down on the toe. We will also be putting down a white base for the stencil before we fill in the stencil. Detail and line work for all the characters, and let's paint. So I'll see you guys at the end. super excited. We just finished the Tim Customs for Family Guy, and it came out super dope. I'm excited to show you guys. I already took some videos, took some pictures, so let's go check out the results. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps the brand grow. If you guys need any customs, hit me up on my IG.